Welcome to this algebra tutorial on absolute value inequalities. Specifically, we are going to focus on the less than cases. By the end of this video, you will understand exactly how to solve inequalities where the absolute value of x is less than a number. Before we dive in, let's quickly recap what absolute value actually means. It is simply the distance of a number from 0 on a number line. Because it is a distance, it is always non-negative. For example, the absolute value of -3 is 3, because it is 3 steps away from 0. Now, let's look at our inequality symbol, less than. When we say the absolute value of x is less than a, we are literally saying the distance from 0 is less than a. You can think of this as a safe zone close to home. You cannot go further than a units away in either direction. Here is what that looks like on a number line. If the absolute value of x is less than 4, we are looking for all numbers between -4 and +4. Notice the open circles at the ends. This means -4 and 4 are not included in the solution. It is just the space in between. This brings us to the golden rule for solving these problems. Whenever you see absolute value of x is less than a, you can rewrite it as a compound inequality. Negative a is less than x, which is less than a. This transforms a strange absolute value problem into a straightforward compound inequality. Let's try a simple example. Solve absolute value of x is less than 5. Applying our rule, we simply sandwich x between -5 and +5. The solution is -5 is less than x is less than 5. Graphically, this is the region between -5 and 5. Things get a bit more interesting when there is an expression inside the bars. Here we have the absolute value of x minus 3 is less than 2. Step 1 is to rewrite it. Put x minus 3 in the middle, sandwiched between -2 and +2. To solve for x, we add 3 to all parts of the inequality. -2 plus 3 is 1. 2 plus 3 is 5. So our final answer is 1 is less than x is less than 5. We can visualize this as the segment on the number line starting at 1 and ending at 5. Let's look at a multi-step problem. Absolute value of 2x plus 1 is less than 9. First, set up the compound inequality. -9 is less than 2x plus 1 is less than 9. Now, subtract 1 from all 3 sections to get -10 and 8 on the outsides. Finally, divide everything by 2. After dividing by 2, we find that x is between -5 and 4. On the number line, we draw open circles at -5 and 4 and shade the region in the middle. This represents all the possible values for x that make the original inequality true. Watch out for these common mistakes. First, don't just drop the bars and say x is less than 5, you must include the negative side. Second, never use the word or for less than inequalities. These are and problems because the solution is a single continuous segment. To summarize, absolute value less than a means the distance is small. Always rewrite these problems as a compound inequality. Negative a is less than x is less than a. Then, solve for x in the middle. If you follow these steps, you will get it right every time. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.